sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreak, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video I want to show you how to do this immunity boosting drink to boost your immunity with all the things going on in the world, coronavirus, Lassa fever, this and that. All we need to do is just to keep our immunity very strong and very good. If we have a good immunity, it's going to help us to fight all these sicknesses. Even if we come close to them, we are not going to get infected. So the best thing to do is to have our immunity very strong. So I came across this recipe. One of my Indian friends showed me this recipe. She told me it's immunity boosting, and I had all the items at home. I tried to share with you guys because I have started taking it. So first thing first, I am going to, in this small mortar here, this is black pepper. This is about I think 5 seeds of black pepper. I put in 6. I'm just going to pound that. So once that is nicely pound, I'm just going to transfer this into my cup. So once that is done, I'm going to add in turmeric powder. I'm going to add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And I'm going to add in hot boiling water. Okay? I have to make sure the water is very hot. Okay, and then stir. And then stir. At the same time, I'm going to add in my coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Make sure you stir it very well before you drink it. The ideal time to take this immunity boosting drink is on an empty stomach first thing in the morning or before going to bed at night. But if you think that you cannot take it during these 2 periods, you can take it anytime. All right, it's very good. So ensure to share this video with friends and family, and if you enjoy watching this video, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to drop your comments down below this video to let me know what you think. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. Thank you for clicking on this video today. I appreciate you. Do not leave without subscribing, and of course a notification bell is going to pop up. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you will get to watch it. Until then guys, I will see you again in my next video. Do have a blessed day. Bye.